In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a profile on Amazon Prime Video. Once you're logged in, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll want to locate your profile icon at the top right of the screen. This is where you manage your account settings, and finding it is vital for our next steps. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear, showing you various options for managing your account. In this drop-down menu, look for the Manage Profiles option and click it. This section allows you to view and edit the profiles associated with your account, which is exactly what we need for deleting a profile. Now, on the Profile Management page, you should see an Edit Profile option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can see all the profiles linked to your account. Here comes the decisive moment. You'll see little pencil icons next to each profile. Click on the pencil icon next to the profile that you want to delete. This is the step where you specify exactly which profile you want to remove, so be sure you're selecting the right one. Finally, you should see the Remove option appear as part of the Edit menu. Click on Remove. You may be prompted to confirm your decision here, just to make sure you don't accidentally delete a profile. Confirm your choice, and that profile will be deleted from your account. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to delete a profile from Amazon Prime Video. Always remember, removing a profile is a permanent action, so be sure that this is what you want to do before confirming the deletion. If you have any further questions or need more help managing your Amazon Prime Video settings, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.